Okay, hey YouTube. I just found a Tech Deck truck paint secret. I'm gonna show you the one that I just found out. The normal Tech Deck paint is actually gray. Then it becomes silver, gold, very shiny silver. So I'm gonna show you how to make your Tech Deck truck become like shiny silver. You should need scissors, Tech Deck, a normal one, and that's all. First take your scissors and just cut it around your Tech Deck. See, become silver. It may take about 10 minutes to finish here and here, but I'm not gonna do the rest. I'm just gonna do about one truck. It's quite hard, so be careful. It can really damage your Tech Deck. Okay, so it became the silver truck. See? Okay, see? It doesn't change much. Okay, it's still the same, but it's really nice to customize it. I still have this part to do. Okay, so bye YouTube. See you another day.